Vibrations Poetry Festival.
Vibrations Poetry Festival is a marketplace of arts, dance, poetry, and all things craft. Not just poetry, but music and everything else, and drumming from a well-known Jamaican drummer, okay? And it's just going to be a vibe. It's going to be a vibe.
Young Jamaican poets will take center stage at the inaugural staging of the Vibrations Poetry Festival in Kingston, Jamaica on August 9, 2025. The festival, brainchild of award-winning poets Canute Lawrence and Margaret C. Anderson, will provide a platform for young and aspiring writers to showcase their skills and talent alongside more seasoned performers as part of a wonderful feast of Jamaican culture.
There are young people right here in Jamaica. I'm talking, teenagers in their 20s, in their 30s, and because they don't know how to get their names out there, and people don't use them. And so, as an educator, my job is to create a platform, a space for young people in particular. If you're in your 20s, 30s, and even your 40s, 50s, and 60s, and you love to write, and you write poetry, I want you at my festival. So I'm here to change that narrative and to promote and help young people and others to share their voice, because it's important that we create a space, an inclusive space for these voices.
In addition to giving a voice and a space to young poets, Vibrations Poetry Festival includes a competition where students in school write poems and vie for exciting prizes.
We launched also a poetry writing competition, and we got about 20-something entries. And so we have now 5 finalists. We shortlisted the number of 20-something to 5. And so on the night of the festival, the evening of the festival, those 5 finalists will be sharing, reading, performing their poems. And then from those 5 will emerge the top 3. The winner will get 70,000 Jamaican dollars.
But how did it start for Canute Lawrence, a man who confessed to being a not-so-confident young man who later performed in LTN pantomimes and other productions locally and internationally, and is a well-respected teacher of English literature? His big break as an author came during the COVID-19 pandemic.
During the pandemic, when all of us were locked in and couldn't go anywhere and didn't know what to do, and then I think I naturally just started writing again. And then I shared, the writing for me was cathartic, it was therapeutic. I didn't write to publish or anything. And then I was sharing the poems now with my close friends. And then my friends were saying, Canute, your poems are beautiful, your poems are masterpieces. And I said, no, they're not. Because again, denying my own worth, yes? And then a couple of friends said, Canute, your poems, professors. So I have a couple of friends who are professors, and they said, Canute, your poems are brilliant. And then it took me a while to be convinced, and then I published. When I published, my book became a bestseller in 3 days. Bestseller, Pathology of a Pandemic. And I still can't believe it. And then Amazon rated my book #1 new release in Canadian poetry and literature. And then I went on to winning an International Impact Book Award for my poetry book.
At the end of the day, the organizers are sure that the festival will add value to the slate of dynamic cultural and creative offerings in Jamaica.
I want people to leave feeling joy. I want people to leave feeling happy. I want people to leave feeling reflective. I want people to leave feeling empowered and inspired. On the day of the event, PBCJ will be there. The broadcast will not be live, it will be delayed. And so I want all of you to come out in our fandangles, come out in our Sunday best, come out in our finery, take out the scarf out of the barrel where Aunt Miracle send for you. And come and look fabulous and look great, because guess what? You may be on TV.
Vibrations Poetry Festival. Don't miss it.